How to enable or disable put unused apps to sleeps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here. So click on device care. Now here, so click on battery. So after click on battery, so scroll down and you will see second option is background use limits. So after click on background usage limits, so you will see put unused apps to sleep is here. So if you want to disable put unused apps to sleep, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see put unused apps to sleep is disabled. So if you want to enable put unused apps to sleep, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see put unused apps to sleep is enabled. So you will enable or disable put unused apps to sleep from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable put unused apps to sleep on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.